Welcome home to this stunning and meticulously maintained 4-bedroom, 2,377 square feet residence in Coffee Pointe. Located at the end of a cul-de-sac, this 2-story beauty boasts an open floor plan with gourmet kitchen featuring a large island, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Oakwood flooring and abundant light throughout the first floor living spaces including mudroom, powder room, living and dining. First floor primary suite with walk-in closet, double vanities, separate shower and soaker tub. Upstairs features a large loft for extra living space, 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath. Enjoy the extended outdoor living space both day and night with fire pit and outdoor lighting. All systems less than 5 years old. Smart home technology, security, coated garage floor, irrigation system, plantation shutters are a few of the home's extras. Coffee Pointe is a gated community.